What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? It's just Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Look how beautiful and sunny it out here is. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful outside today in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I hope you're doing well. How are you? Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere else in the garden universe, but you choose to be here with the Skinny Boy Randy, and I greatly appreciate it. You see how much sunlight is out here, you guys? Ooh, let me get the preliminaries out of the way before I be done went blind, and then y'all gonna have to call 911 YouTube, and ain't nobody got no money for that. Ain't nobody got no money. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. First of all, I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We keep it real here, y'all. We love having you here. Okay, I love you guys. And click the like and subscribe button. Yes, you guys, I'm right outside of my home doing a video. People are coming up and down the street probably going, what is he doing? What is he doing? But yes, you guys, I have a great and amazing video for you today. I'm not going to hold you long. You see how bright it is out here? Don't you just love it? Well, so does your plants. So that's what this video is about. Some gardening mistakes we make indoor gardening. You guys, I know how hard and difficult it can be. So let me just give you some tips. The main thing when gardening indoors, you guys, you have to remember your lighting. We just went out of light. Can't do that. The plants are going to need lighting, you guys. You have to light your plants. So that's what this video is about today. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to show you how to make a quick grow light. Oh, if you haven't been over to my Facebook group, go over there and check it out. Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, beginners and experts are welcome. Okay, you guys, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Yes, I brought you inside of my home because I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to make sure you are successful when growing indoors, you guys. So I'm going to try to get a good view over here. Yes, you guys. So, like I said, you remember our container plants? In a matter of days, it all depends on the lighting, you guys. Lighting. Yes, and I grew these from seed. Transplanted them into this container, and then I made a grow box with a great grow light, you guys. A Hoss bulb grow light from the Hoss company. Hoss Bright, you guys. Check them out. Okay, so first what you want to do is get you one of your little bins, you guys. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just one of your green bins. You can get them from Walmart. You can get them from all the little stores. And then I get some aluminum foil, and I line the sides. I don't line the bottom. I just line the sides of it. You can use old aluminum foil, not something that's gonna attract any rodent. But yeah, just line your box like that, you guys. Let me get over here where you can see me. Can you guys see that? You know how we do. We don't do pretty, we do productive. So I just line the sides of it with 2 pieces of aluminum foil. Just like that. That's simple, you guys. Now, when it comes to growing inside, the main thing is your lighting. As long as you keep your house at a certain temperature, let me let you see me while I'm talking. You should be okay temperature-wise. But the lighting is what makes a difference, you guys. Now, there are all types of lights out here. You have these ones. You might think, hey, I got this light. Is it sticking out my garage, shining on the crooks that try to come and steal out the garden? But no, you guys, it's not a grow light, And I tried it, and it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. A grow light mimics the sun. I'm not a scientist, and we don't proclaim to be, because we ain't never went to science school, okay? We went to science class, but we ain't never go to science school. But anyway, you guys, this is just a regular bulb that you put outside or on your porch. But what you need is a grow light. Yeah. Now this sweet company right here, Hoss Bright, was kind enough to let me try out their grow light, you guys. I had to box everything back up, to put it back in, to take it back out, to show y'all how I did everything, okay? Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. And all I did was, it came in this nice box, and you can use this as a seed packet holder. Yeah, we ain't got no money. And then, this is the light. It's lightweight, but sturdy. Can you hear that? It's a good quality metal, and these are LEDs. I think it's like 150 or so LED lights, and it barely burns electric, you guys. So that's a good thing, 'cause we ain't got no money for no light bill. We ain't got no money. So, but yeah, this is a Hoss Bright grow light, and this one is 1,200 looms. Okay. Now, if you want to know about the looms and Calvins, pull that up and do your research. Okay, so I want to just show you what I did. I took one of my grow lights, and just a grow light holder. You guys have seen these, right? Yeah, you can get them, order them. I'll try to leave the description to everything in the description. A link to everything in the description. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, so I just took my new bulb and screwed it in here. Well, actually, I'm sorry. We need to put our lid on it because that's what's going to hold everything together, okay? And like I said, most people use these as clothes hampers, but you can use them as a grow box. So all I did was I took a little knife and went around and made a hole in the top of it. And took my little dome. It comes off. This comes together, you guys, with a 1 wire and a clicker. And then it has the piece that clamps onto a pole or whatever you want to clamp it onto. So then I just put this through here and put my dome back on top. Screw it back on, couple of screws. Do I got it on there? Okay. Here we go. And then there you have it. Shout out to Callie Kim and Gary Pollard, gardeners. You guys check their channels out for this great idea I learned from them about a year or two ago. And it's cheap and easy. And it just goes on top like this. So you take your Hoss grow light, screw it right in there like that. And you guys, you don't want to look directly into this light at all whatsoever. And it's all set up. Look how bright that is, you guys. Now, I can point it to the camera, but I can't point it to you guys. If you guys can see how bright this is, wow. Just let me show you. When you start your seedlings, if you were following yesterday, we started seedlings. Put them right down in there. Put them right down in there just like that. Can you guys see that? And you simply put the lid over top. That's it. That's all you do. And your seedlings, you guys, they can pop up in the middle of the night. So that's why I like to leave the light on for my seedlings. At least, especially after the first 48 hours, sometimes 24 hours, things will shock you. They will pop up. So if you can, leave it on because it doesn't burn a lot of light, you guys. It doesn't use a lot of electricity. But yeah, I'm going to leave the link to the Hoss Bright company. Thank you, Hoss Bright, for sending me this light. You guys, check it out. And that's how you do your seedlings. And like I said, I had this baby in there. And look at it. Yes, you guys, the Hoss Bright grow light. That's the main thing you need to know, you guys. If you're going to grow indoors, you have to make sure that your lighting is right. If you don't have a big space, if you don't have a lot of windows, make your grow box. What, we did that in what, 5 minutes? And look at that Hoss Bright. I'm not going to look directly at it, but it is so bright, you guys. And my seedlings will get every full spectrum of light that they need. That's a good thing about the Hoss Bright company. So I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. This is also part of our In Gardening series during October. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah. I'm out of breath. Live, love, laugh. You guys, grow stuff and eat and share the video. Goodbye.